Is binary option gambling? That's the number one question that I get from newer students. Because I don't know why, but they all believe that binary option is some kind of gambling. Now the answer depends on you. What are you thinking? Now, first, to answer this question, we have to understand what is gambling. What does the word gambling means? Gambling means casino, roulette, blackjack, slot machine, which are based on luck rather than skill. So once you're playing blackjack, it's like based mostly on luck, which cards you get. There is no understanding of what will happen next. There is no skill involved. It's simple. If you're lucky, you'll get it. If you're not, you won't. So it's nothing special. Now, what happens in a casino? Casinos are formed so that you come in and give them money. More money than you come in with. But in binary option, that doesn't happen. Your account cannot go into negative. The first good thing. Now in binary option, it is controlled by the underlying asset. The price is controlled by the underlying asset. You're seeing the underlying asset. If the price of let's say Bitcoin is increasing threefolds, then it's simple. If you buy it, you will make money. If it is falling from the top, then it's simple. From this level it can go lower. And in binary option, the most popular binary option is up-down binary option, where you just need to predict if the price will stay below a certain level or above a certain level, and then you make money. So the skill involved is on the underlying asset. It's not based on luck. You're seeing the underlying asset and you're judging the underlying asset, and then you're buying the binary option based on your presumption on the underlying asset. But in blackjack or casino or roulette, you are basically not looking at the underlying asset. There is no underlying asset. It's simple luck. You push a button and the slot machine gives you money or takes away your money. It's like that. Nothing special. You can't do anything. But with skill, you can see the underlying asset and adjust your binary option accordingly. You can square your previous binary option and go for a new one. So there is skill involved. In gambling, there is no skill involved. A good trader can learn and implement strategies to know his odds of success or failure. So through strategy, before even buying a binary option, you know your odds of success or failure. But in a casino, there is no odds of success or failure. It's just pure simple luck, which cards you get. So that's the difference. The main theme to call binary option gambling is its short-term nature. The reason people call it gambling, it's because it's extremely short-term. But doesn't chart come in the short term? Don't you see a 5-minute chart? You see. You can understand what the next 5 minutes will be. So basically, you can predict your odds of success. Now a normal person who cannot read charts or who cannot understand stuff will never understand it, because he is already jumping into binary option without thinking. So he's doing the same thing that he does in the gambling casino. He's not thinking. It's pure luck. So if you are trading binary option without any skill, without any chart, without any strategy, then yes, it is gambling. But if you're trading with a skill, with a strategy, then it's not, because at the end of the day, you have a thing that determines your odds of success. But in a casino, there isn't a strategy. And that's why it's called gambling. With fixed risks, it is the best investment. In binary option, your risk is fixed. It cannot increase. If you consider binary option a gambling instrument, then you should consider all financial instruments as gambling. Because if you're not using any methodology, any research, any strategy, then yes, everything is gambling. Even driving a car is gambling. You can have accident. As gambling is when a player relies only on chance rather than the odds of success. But if you know what you are doing, then it is not gambling because you have a plan, you have a strategy. And that's why I always tell my students it's not gambling if you know what you're doing. If you're closing your eyes and driving, then no one can save you. Thank you.